Hey guys, my name is CoolDude4445, and these are my two new devices that I got. I just started collecting fire alarms, so I don't really know much about how they work. This is apparently like a Firelight BG12, and this is like some sort of spectral alert thing by like System Sensoir. So yeah, this like pulls down like that, and I don't actually have a hex key, so if anybody could loan me one, that would be awesome. And also, if any bigger YouTubers have any cool stuff that you don't want anymore, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to take it from you. And also, if you could show me how to wire these up, because I have like no clue how, please let me know. Thank you. Hey guys, so for my new system test here, I'm just going to do a quick review of what's on the system. So yeah, it'll be very quick, so let's get to it. So basically for this system, it is going to feature all sorts of cool devices. So yeah, this pole station's really cool. I got it from like from an alarm company. It was really awesome, and I think it's really awesome. Yeah, this is another pole station that I got. I actually got this one off eBay. It's sort of like that one, except this one is actually a newer version of the Simplex. Appliances, yeah, there's just this ESD Genesis and then like the Simplex 4051. It's really cool. Let me go to the backstory how I got this stuff. Yeah, so let's get into the system test now. Hey guys, so I'm just going to get right into the system test. So let me just get my keys. No, this is not gonna be fun. Huh? Here we go again. No. Wait, I know where they are. Here. There they are. Hey guys, so I bring you a paper fire alarm test. So here I have my homemade Simplex 4251 pole station. It's really cool. Over here we have my homemade Edwards 270 SPO. For the horn here we have a Simplex 4051, and over here we have an Edwards Genesis. So let's go ahead and pull this.
Hey, Connor's calling. Let me answer it and tell him what's up. Hey, Connor, what's up, man?
Hey Frank, so did you hear about like these 7002 Ts? How like they have like no ADA on them because the strobes flash so much. You know how like the craziness of how they like skip all the time. You ever heard of like quiet chimes? Or I mean, like, what's the deal with chimes? Why are they so dang quiet? And have you heard like about hospital systems, which are basically chimes? So like what's the deal with this? And also, have you heard about like how the System Spectral Advance is so loud on high volume? Have you also heard about how the L series came out just in 2017? I mean, isn't this crazy? I mean, what do you think, Frank?
Huh? What? Huh? What? What are we doing again? Oh, gosh, dang it.
Hey Jack, so I was just wondering about that homework assignment that we were gonna do. Do you have any questions about it?
What in the heck is that red thing on the wall with the green light?
Oh, that is a Notifier NFW50 fire alarm dressable panel. It's part of my collection. I actually collect fire alarms. I'm an enthusiast. You may not know what it is.
So you collect fire alarms as a hobby?
Yes.
Why?
Because lots of people do it. I mean, here's my collection over here. There's a Firelight pole station over there.
firelight. Oh, so that lights fire, so you pull it and your whole house blows up?
I hope nobody ever presses the drill button. That would scare the crap out of me. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a system test right now. I have this pretty heavy hearing protection on. This actually isn't enough. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, this is better now. I think we're good to go. Hey guys, so for my setup here, I have a system sensor mass horn behind a 2093 light plate, and over here I have a Genesis remote strobe. And to all of you who think that this is a weird setup, well, it is!
Let me explain myself. So Jack is of the redneck variety. He's from Texas, and Jack's one of my very dear best friends. So if I so happen to use a derogatory term towards him, it is not meant in disrespect or abuse, or bullying, rather. I am just simply having fun at my friend's expense for being of the redneck variety. No disrespect is also inflicted towards other people of the redneck variety. I am simply just joking around with my friend. Now, all jokes aside, I should not be using derogatory terms. For all of those younger viewers, this is a message from Frank Darty. Do not use drugs, do not say bad words, and don't try beer. I don't know.